In this video, I will show you how to make a template on Docusign. So to do this, just go and open up Docusign and just click Templates in the top. Now once you are in the Templates section, you can see all of your current templates, but if you go to Create Template in the top left, you can then create your very own template. Now I'll also show you how you can create some pre-built templates for specific documents, but right here you can now just add the document that you often use so that you want it as a template, for example this one right here. Then you can give the template a name and description. You can add any recipients if you need to send it to the same people over and over again, and you can add a message if that is also the same with every time you use this template. So once you've done that, just click Save and Close. Then again, if you haven't given it a name yet, just gonna do it. I'll just click Save and Close, and now you can see I have created this template. Now, if you want to get a template for a document, then you can click Browse All Templates from the home screen right here, and then you can see all of these forms and contracts that you have available. So that is another template that you can use. Now what you can also do is just pick it right here, for example, a sales contract, and then click Add Selected. And then you can start using it right away right here. So now you know how to make a template in Docusign. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.